Acquire phrasal verbs. In this lesson, we are going to have a look at some different meanings for phrasal verbs with sleep. Sleep in means to stay in bed longer than usual. For example, Steve was so tired, he slept in all day. Sleep through means not to wake up. For example, Anne was so tired she slept through the alarm. Sleep over means to spend a night at someone's home. For example, Bill missed the last train, so he slept over at his friend's apartment. Sleep off something means to use sleep to recover from something. For example, Sophie had too many drinks at the party and is now sleeping it off. Sleep on something means to think carefully and make a decision later. For example, the mother said she would sleep on it after her son asked for a dog. Now you try. Which one is the correct answer? A. The storm was noisy, but Bill slept over it. B. The storm was noisy, but Bill slept through it. C. The storm was noisy, but Bill slept on it. And the answer is B. The storm was noisy, but Bill slept through it. Which one is the correct answer? A. Mike is going to sleep off his headache. B. Mike is going to sleep on his headache. C. Mike is going to sleep in his headache. And the answer is A. Mike is going to sleep off his headache. Which one is the correct answer? A. Jill likes to sleep in on Sundays. B. Jill likes to sleep off on Sundays. C. Jill likes to sleep through on Sundays. And the answer is A. Jill likes to sleep in on Sundays. Give it a go. Try making a sentence with a phrasal verb with sleep and leave it in the comments below. If you like our videos, please share them with a friend. We'd really appreciate it. For more videos, please check out our Facebook page. And don't forget to like and follow it. Thank you.